In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from syncing everything. By the end, you'll know exactly which switches to turn off so OneDrive stops pulling in every file and photo automatically while keeping the files you need on your PC. Start on your desktop so you have a clear view of your taskbar. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. If you don't see it right away, it might be in the small arrow that shows hidden icons. When you find the cloud, click it to open the OneDrive panel. In the panel that appears, click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose Settings from the menu. This brings up the OneDrive Settings window where you control what gets synced. In the Settings window, go to the Sync and Backup section. This is where OneDrive decides which folders and extras it backs up automatically. Click Manage Backup to review the folders OneDrive is watching. You'll typically see options for key folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Turn off Backup for all of the listed items you don't want synced. If your goal is to stop OneDrive from syncing everything, toggle them all off. You may see a prompt explaining what happens when backup is turned off. This change stops new files from those locations from uploading to OneDrive going forward. Existing files that are already in OneDrive will remain available online unless you choose to manage or move them separately later. When you're done, close the Manage Backup window. Back in Sync and Backup, look for the options that automatically save extra items. Turn off the setting that saves photos and videos from devices. This prevents OneDrive from grabbing images from cameras or phones you connect. And then turn off the setting for screenshots. With that switch off, screenshots you take on your PC will stay local and won't be sent to the cloud. That's the full set of changes. You've disabled folder backup, you've stopped automatic photo uploads, and you've prevented screenshots from syncing. From now on, OneDrive won't pull in everything by default. If you still want certain files in the cloud, you can copy just those into your OneDrive folder manually. Otherwise, keep working in your local folders. Give OneDrive a moment to apply the changes. You should notice that new files you create in your desktop, documents, or pictures folders stay on your PC, and screenshots no longer appear in OneDrive. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same settings and re-enable only the items you want.